Welcome to Disney's Beach Club Resort, which is reopened following the pandemic closure of many things at Walt Disney World on May 30th, 2021. If you're saying, well, I've stayed at the Beach Club since then, well, you could be right, but that would be the Beach Club Villas, the Disney Vacation Club wing of the Beach Club. Now, the original Disney's Beach Club Resort rooms are back. And so we are staying here on opening day and going to show you what a room looks like. That being said, it's not a normal room. Because there's so few people here, I made a room request for a larger balcony, and because I assume there's only a handful of rooms at this resort filled at this moment, it was accepted. The request was accepted, and so this is not, the furniture and things will look very much like any other beach club room, but this is going to be slightly larger and pretty different in shape and size. So mind you, obviously if it's a thing you want to request, I'm sure you can talk to them if it's available. These older Disney resorts do often have some weird shaped corner rooms that sometimes are really fun. Give you a little more space or a cool view or something like that. So the entry has tile. I assume that looks pretty original to me. It probably dates back to when this opened in the early 90s. There's some tile there. Obviously they redid these rooms a couple years ago, so the wallpaper is more modern. But yeah, you have a nice big entry in this particular style of room here. So all this tile space to the door, but then we also have a really big hallway, just a very big hallway over here too. So yeah, like see, we got a lot of room until we get to the bed. And of course, there's this nice window. We're gonna go out here in a few moments because actually our elongated patio out here. But there is this unit out here where you can keep your shoes. You can sit down and put them on. You can put your furniture there. You can put your bag there, whatever you'd like. Many uses for that. We have this art. I will say I'm not crazy about the art in these rooms. This is a character one, but it's like 1930s black and white Mickey and Minnie superimposed on some kites at the beach. It's not my favorite. These rooms could use a pop more of color, as most Disney remodeled hotel rooms could, but you're probably tired of hearing me say that at this point. So to the right, we have the bathroom area with the vanities and the mirror and the closet. The closet's in here. There's no door or curtain here, by the way. So in this very big closet, we got an extra pillow and blanket. We have lots of hangers. This goes all the way down there. You see we have the ironing board and the iron all the way in the corner. Lots of room for bags. I apologize, some of my bags are in here. The luggage rack is here. We have a safe. But it's a nice big closet. Lots of room. Okay. We have the dual vanity, which I'm always a fan of having. Speeds up your time in the morning, getting out to the parks. There is a hairdryer down there. No drawers on these, but you do have plenty of counter space, right? There's a nice amount of counter space here, including this smaller counter up there. And lots of amenities. We have the vanity kit, the mouthwash, body lotion, shower cap, facial soap all here. And we have a nice, hello everyone, I didn't shave. We have a nice big mirror here, and as well the adjustable and illuminated makeup mirror right here on the side. As for the bathroom itself, obviously we have a toilet, we have all of our towels, we have this hideous shower curtain. I'm sorry. Should inject less of my opinions. I don't know, the Mickey's cute, but I don't know, what I like about Beach Club, Yacht and Beach, well, actually more Beach Club, the pop of color, the pastels, and I don't know that the rooms capture that. I do like this blue, right? The rest of the room's a little drab. I love this splash of blue in here. Really brings the room to life. This tile's not bad either. I like the tile. Pretty standard tub. We have it's nice to have two shelves for toiletries. Shower, the fan's a little loud. But yeah, this is a pleasant shower. No art, no bathroom art. I apologize, everyone. If you're new to these tours, I always complain that there should be bathroom art. The nice thing, though, at least with these, you know, when it's the bathroom with the shower, is at least you have a curtain, a shower curtain usually that brings some life to the room, so you're not looking at nothing. You're not just sitting here in a like Animal Kingdom Lodge, or some of those bathrooms are just beige walls. In here, they did not. I'm surprised they didn't go through the trouble of doing the mounted amenities. In here, I'm shocked. So you still have bottles you can take home of shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and bath soap. Very nice. I'm a big fan of that. I love that. There's a little trash receptacle in here. Okay, that's the bathroom. Look back this way. Again, you see all this. Look at all this space we have that is not typically in one of these rooms. So you could tell they haven't touched these rooms in a while because they moved the garbage can. And these don't weigh a lot, so you can tell the garbage can's been there for a long time. It's left a circle there. There's even like almost like a little rust stain because the garbage can's been there for so long. But obviously, you know, the rooms were just left. They were definitely cleaned again before reopening, but you know, I don't expect them to rip up the whole carpet, I guess, today. So we have this nice coffee station over here, which has a Keurig with the pods, which is nice. Some teapods too. Ice bucket, cups. We have a drawer. I assume we have a fridge. We sure do. Beverage cooler cools to 41 degrees and above. Please contact the front desk for assistance. Okay. There you go. Nice beverage station. Okay. Here's our TV. What is labeled as a recycling bin. If anything, I'd say there may not be enough drawer space in this room, right? So these are three very big drawers we have here. They didn't mount, like other rooms where they remodeled them, they didn't mount, they do have this very obvious thing that keeps it hooked to the wall. But they didn't mount the USB and outlets on the top. They did a weird thing where they put them on the side. I'm not saying either is better. Either one works. Just thought it was interesting. I've never seen one where it's on the side. Usually they would attach something to the top of that. Yeah. There's our patio, a door to our patio. The curtain's got a nice bit of color on it. Helps the room out a bit. Okay. Here are the beds. See, we kind of have a living room based on the layout of this. So yeah, I'm not a fan of the art. This is just an oyster. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, they didn't. This was before they were doing the new bed frames that are off the ground and allow you to put bags underneath. Again, I'm surprised because so many of the hotels that stay closed, it was so they could do a couple of these little soft goods refurb things. I'm really shocked that Beach Club didn't go through those changes. We know, obviously, Wilderness Lodge reopens in a week. We know for sure they went through a hard goods. They're completely new rooms, and we'll see a lot of those things when we go through that room tour on June 6th. Here's nice. I like the headboards. They're cute beds. I love this piece in the middle. I think evokes the hotel. It's very cute and charming. The angled shelves that are open on the sides, very cute. Very cute and right. And you know, people have a lot of electronic devices, their wallets, keys, all that stuff you like to keep handy. Magic bands. You have a couple shelves here, and it's easy to see where everything is. And I like this. Of course. 2 USB, 2 standard outlets up here, your room phone, and I don't know what this is. The security reminder, yeah, because people's card info is getting stolen. These drawer pulls will probably look familiar. We have the starfish. You saw the shell on the other one. So, yeah, these are two good good sized drawers too. And then we do have some storage space in this thing. Not much. It's pretty small. Pretty small. Is there one on either side? Is that why? There is. Okay. Okay. So it's not that bad. You have two there. For smaller garments, I would recommend. Yeah. Oh, we have a light we didn't put on. We didn't put on this light in the corner here. Obviously, there are some similarities to our yacht club room we had not that long ago. That did have the elongated hallway, but not very different room layout in total. These are fine. There's a little color in these. They're fine. We have a nice workstation here. If we pull this chair out, is it seaweed? Seaweed or coral or whatever on it. Very fun. Ooh, stabilizer didn't like that. The reason we're pulling back here is because we're gonna take a look at this. I love when they offer you the little rolling table. It's nice. It's nice to have. So nice to have that they were liquidating the ones from the Contemporary, and I bought one because I always liked that table. This is obviously much nicer as wood. Very cute. You can roll that back under there if you don't want to use it. Two standard, two USB outlets there as well. Obviously, that's what's on the TV. The dresser under the TV as well. We got this little corner of the room. We have a chair. We have a very pleasant view of one of the quiet pools here at the beach club. People are eating their lunch in the pool. Anyway, stop being judgy. At Beach Club, if there's 3 people in the quiet pool, then that means Stormalong Bay's got to be packed. If there's no one in the quiet pool, Stormalong might be okay. But 3 people in that pool, and it's got to be a nightmare over there. So this rolls out of the way because, not easily, but it does roll out of the way because, it's a leg workout, kicking that. Because this is going to open. So let's do it. Oh, it's going to be, I could tell this, I guess this refurb was longer ago than I thought because this is an older model of these too. This is going to be pretty different from a lot of the rooms we've toured in the last year. This is a plastic handle that rotates weird. I think this is different from any one I've seen in any other resort. Maybe they tested these, they didn't like them. Do I pull that? I pull that. I mean, easy enough to open. I did it with one hand. So there you go. There's the sleeper. Comes out of the sofa. This is real firm. Real firm. So you're not going to feel a bar. I think for sure you're not going to feel the bar because the mattress is very firm. But if you don't like a firm mattress, you might be in trouble there. All right, I think we've adequately looked around in here. Let's go look at our patio. I unlocked it before the tour, learning from my past mistakes. So over here, we have our 2 chairs, a little table. You see we're right on the corner. This is a nice view. I like this courtyard. We're also obviously very close to Epcot. So if I walk down from this building, it is a very short walk to Epcot. So that is the last building at the beach club on the way to Epcot. Some of you are probably familiar with that path right behind that building that comes right out on the walkway there. You make a left and you almost in the park at that point. In fact, you see that's the Eiffel Tower, and the top, you can see a little bit of the top of the Skyliner pole supports there too. So we're very, very close, which is nice. But look at, like I said, this is a much bigger patio than most rooms come with. Obviously it's a little thinner over here, but still way more space, and it's just very pleasant. I imagine when fireworks return, the higher launches you could definitely see from here over the building. So this would be This would be very nice in fireworks. I mean, it's nice now, but obviously when there's fireworks again, this is a fun spot. So yeah, I don't think there's a special classification for this room. I don't know. I think it's just a larger balcony. Again, I was able to request it. I booked, pretty much a standard room, and I was able to request this. So I assume it's just luck of the draw to get one of these. But you get an idea of Beach Club. I love the Beach Club because, and so does everyone else, because of the location. There's some good restaurants here, albeit sometimes hard to book. Obviously, you have the best pool maybe in the world at any hotel in Stormalong Bay. It's kind of like its own water park. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things I like about Beach Club. The rooms could be a little more colorful, but in the end, I think for a deluxe, you have great location, great amenities, and a very, very pleasant room. And that's Disney's Beach Club. Welcome back.